Okay, got the DualLiner completely installed. As you can see, I have a truck cap or shell. I just had to take those clamps off right there and stood inside and just lifted the shell up, put a couple 2x4s under each side, and got that headliner or header piece in. Just finished up putting in the tailgate protector. The only thing I haven't done is put the double-sided tape on, which I was undecided, but I think I'm going to. Not sure how well the double-sided tape's going to hold up. Would actually like to suggest that DualLiner look at maybe adding 2 or 3 or 4 screws there along the bottom just to hold it in a little more securely. Other than that, this is my second DualLiner, and had it on a 2013 Ford truck several years ago, and this is on a 2018, and I'm pretty happy with it. So took me about 45-minute total install, taking the box link out and lifting the shell and putting it all back on, and I think that's it. So good luck with your own DualLiner.